Do you need a file tax return or can you skip it? Guessing wrong here can cost you a lot of money. It can cost you your refunds, penalties, or IRS problems years later. So let's clear it up. People hear things like, I made under the standard deduction, no taxes were withheld, or it's just a side hustle. Sometimes that advice works, sometimes it gets people in trouble because filing rules are not one size fit all. They depend on how you earn the income, how much was earned, and what specific legal triggers are applicable. If all your income came from a W-2 job and your income is below the standard deduction, you may not be required to file. That's because of how filing thresholds work. But if you had any taxes withheld, you should still file because refunds are not automatic. Filing is how you get your money back. This is the rule that most people miss. If you're in 400 or more in self-employment tax, you must file a tax return. Not $15,000, not the standard deduction, $400. That's because self-employment triggers Social Security and Medicare taxes. You didn't receive a Form 1099? That still counts. Cash still counts. Venmo, Zelle, Stripes, all that still counts because income is income. Income doesn't get judged one stream at a time. Small amounts stacks together, and some things require filings regardless how low they feel, such as marketplace health insurance, early retirement withdrawal, unemployment income, and being claimed as a dependent with income. These are all legal filing triggers. If you don't file when you should have, penalties can apply, interest keeps running, refunds do expire, IRS will send you letters, and the clock doesn't start until you actually file your return. If income comes from anything outside the paycheck, or if taxes were withheld anywhere, don't guess this. Make sure you file a return just to be safe. If you want a clear tax answer, who must file, why rules exist, and why people mess up, subscribe here. The next video I'm going to drop is going to be the Form Schedule C. I'm going to explain that as well as why self-employment taxes always feel so high.